Hello everyone, this is Sobia, Faculty of EVS in Tala Padmavati International School. Today we are going to discuss a topic of Class 1, Chapter 2. What is the name of the chapter? Our body. Our body is made up of many parts. What are those parts which we can see externally is ears, eyes, nose, mouth, hands, legs, neck, so shoulders. So these are the body parts which make our body complete. Okay, so we need to discuss about it. So what is being given? Let us know. Our body is made up of many parts. Each part of our body has a name. Yes. What are those names? Ears, nose, hands, legs. So those are the names of body parts. Look at the picture given below. It shows our body parts. Read aloud the names of different body parts. So are you able to see the picture of a boy over here? Yes. So here all the body parts are given with the names. We need to see that. So what is the first body part here? A head. So are you able to see a head here? Yes. So next, what is the body part which you can see? Is neck. So are you able to see the neck? Yes. What is the next body part? It is a chest. Yes. What is the next body part? It is a navel. What is the next body part? Hand, knee, foot. Are you able to say? Shoulder, arm, forearm, thigh and leg. So these are the body parts of our body. So what is it? Head, neck, chest, navel, hand, knee, foot, shoulder, arm, forearm, thigh and leg. So you can see still some more pictures here. So this is the face. So in the face what do we have? So let us know. The first thing is hair. Next what do we have? Ear, right? What is this? It's a nose. Next what is this? It's a teeth. Next what is it? It's a chin. Next it is a tongue. Next it is cheek and eye, forehead. So these are the parts of your head. Next if you go in hand, so you do have fingers. How many fingers do you have? 5 fingers. So the first finger which you have, we'll be calling it to be as thumb. And the next you will be calling it to be as finger. And then this area which you are able to see, this is called as this one. This area which you are able to see, this is called as palm. And this is wrist, right? Next, are you able to see the third picture here? So yes, what is that picture? It's a leg. So where you are going to call the fingers as toes, and here is an ankle and here it is a heel. So this is how the body parts. So our body parts, what are those body parts? Head, neck, chest, navel, hand, knee, foot, shoulder, arm, forearm, thigh and leg. Next, it's a spell bee. Read aloud the following words and write them twice. So what is the first word? It is a head. You need to write 2 times just by reading it aloud. So what are the words? Let us see. Eyes, arm, elbow, hand, ear, nose, mouth, stomach, leg, foot, tongue. So these are the words which you have to read it aloud and write it twice. Okay. Next, external body parts. What are external body parts? The body parts which we can see. So those body parts are called as external body parts. The body parts which we can see are eyes, nose, mouth, head, neck, hands, legs, navel, thigh. So these all body parts are external because we are able to see them. Right? Next, let us sing the following song to know our body parts. So it's a song. What is that song? Have 10 little fingers and 10 little toes, 2 little arms and 1 little nose, 1 little mouth and 2 little ears, 2 little eyes, 2 little feet and 1 little head and 1 little chin. That's me complete. So you have to sing this song once or twice after me. Okay, we'll go with the next one. Yeah, each part of our body does some work with the help of our legs and feet. So, what can we do? We can walk, we can jog, we can jump, we can dance, we can run, we can play, right? Yeah. The next one, write any two activities that you can do with your legs. You need to write any two activities that which you are going to do with your legs. So you can say it as dancing, walking, jumping. You can write any two activities. With the help of our hands, we can write, we can draw, we can paint, we can eat, we can play, and we can lift things. So you can write still some more activities which you can use your hands to do some work. So now here write two more activities that you can do with your hands. So the first activity is I have written as cooking and one more is washing. You can give your work which you want to do. Like you are doing brushing teeth or bathing. You can write any of that which you are going to do. Okay. Yes, it's the next one. Internal body parts. Some parts are hidden inside our body. We cannot see them. Touch your chest on the left hand side. Can you feel something beating? Yes, you can feel something beating. This is your heart. What is the work of heart now? It pumps blood to all parts of the body. So this is how the heart works. So it is going to pump the blood to all parts of body. Next, touch your head. It is very hard. This is your skull. It protects your brain. The brain controls all body parts. The brain controls all body parts and their functions. It helps us to think and it helps us to remember. So if I ask you what happened yesterday, will you be able to say me? Yes. Who helped you to say that answer? Your brain, because it will remember everything. So all body parts and their functions, it helps us to think. Right. Take a deep breath. What helps you to breathe? There are two lungs that helps you to breathe. How many lungs do you have? Two lungs. So where they are going to be present? It will be under your chest. So what are these used for? It is used for breathing. Next, stomach. The food that we eat goes into the stomach. It helps to change food into simpler substance. This is called digestion. When we eat food, our food gets digested. Isn't it or not? So here, where it is going to get digested? In the stomach it is going to get digested. Next. Meet the following children and answer their questions. I am Annie. I want to write. Which part of my body will I use? She is asking you a question. So what will be your answer? So the answer will be your hands are needed to write. Next, I am Tin. I want to play football. Which part of my body will I use? You have to use your legs to play football. Rearrange the letters to find the names of the body parts. EGL. So, what is that? L, E, G, leg. REA, it's a ear. E, A, R. Next, AHDN. What it will be? H, A, N, D. Hand. Next, EOSN. What it will be? N, O, S, E. Nose. Write true or false. We use our hands for holding things. So yes, it is true or false? Yes, true. We use our legs for standing. Yes, it's true. We use our legs for standing. We have 5 fingers. So how many fingers do we have? We have 10 fingers. So what is this now? It's a false. We use our ears to smell a flower. Ears? To smell it? No, it is false. Stomach is an internal body part. Yes, it is an internal body part. True. Write number of each of the following body parts. We have dash eyes. We have how many eyes? We have 2 hands. We have 2 legs. We have 2 ears. We have 1 mouth and 1 nose. Identify the various parts of the body and write their names in the space given below. So first one is eyes, second one is ear, third one is nose, fourth one is lungs, the next is brain, leg, hand, arm. So Sarah loves to play in the garden. Which organs does she use to? So here is the question. Here the cuckoo is singing. So, which organ that Sarah is using is singing with mouth. So, here which organ we will be writing as mouth. Run butterflies, which organ is used here? Legs. Breathe in the fresh air. Which organ is used? Yes, lungs. Look at the beautiful flowers. So, which organ you are going to use? We are going to use eyes to see the beautiful nature.